I'm George Finney, and I'm here to help you become more well aware when it comes to cybersecurity. CEOs have been fired for not understanding cybersecurity. 60% of businesses go out of business within 6 months after experiencing a breach. Now, you've worked hard to get where you're at, and I want to help coach you, whatever your career path is, on how to make cybersecurity easy for you. In my book, Well Aware, I write about how our daily habits impact cybersecurity and how you can change your habits to protect your future. You've probably already taken some kind of cybersecurity training course in your career. If you're like most people, you probably hated it or thought it was a waste of your time. And if you felt that way, it was probably because it wasn't personal to you or the way you work. And there's a lot of advice out there on how to be secure, but there's no one right or perfect way to do everything. Take your golf swing, for example. If you listen to all the advice on how to swing the club, you'll get distracted and you probably won't be thinking about hitting the ball. Most likely, your swing will get worse. Conversely, if you didn't listen to any advice, your game would never improve. But if you worked with a coach, they would help break down your game into specific parts and slowly help you perform drills or exercises that will help improve each part of your game. Along the same lines, I looked at all the cybersecurity advice we give, like don't write your password on a Post-it note or be careful when using social media. And I distilled this down into 9 cybersecurity habits. Each of these habits is really like a constellation of smaller behaviors. Once you understand how each of the habits work, you can start the process of how you can tailor each of these habits to suit your life the way you live it. The habits are literacy, skepticism, vigilance, secrecy, culture, diligence, community, mirroring, and finally deception. You can go to my website, wellawaresecurity.com, to download the free companion guide that goes along with Well Aware, or order your copy of Well Aware today. Remember, security is in your DNA, so be well aware.